5 more days left in my 8 days straight. Yeah. Goodness, my tripod is like on its last leg or something. But anyway, it's time for bed. I sound like I'm whispering, but then I put my mic in and it sounds like I'm yelling. So then there's that. But finished my daughter's hair and I have to work again tomorrow. I have a few more days straight. 8 days straight, yeah, before vacation, which usually happens like if I want to take the day before I leave. And like I'm leaving on a Saturday, so I'm taking Friday and Saturday off, so that means I work Sunday through Thursday, so is what it is. But yeah. I'm discouraged. I'm feeling discouraged and I don't want to be, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna do my best and move forward. I'm just gonna do my best and move forward because that's all I can do anyway, right? Right. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm going to do. And my voice is doing something weird. Anyway, I don't even want to talk about it. I don't even want to say out loud like what I'm feeling. I'm feeling some type of way about like I have to make a decision on something and it's like based off of just what I want, like just purely what I want to do. And I'm trying to like make the best decision in the long run, but I'm just like, okay, I could make a different decision, or I could make what I think is the most logical choice. And I'm just talking in circles at this point. Like none of this is making sense, but I guess I'm just saying out loud that I feel discouraged, and it is what it is. But we're just gonna keep moving forward. We're just gonna keep persevering. I'm gonna open this package. So I signed up to be a slide jewelry. Is it slide? Yeah, it's slide jewelry ambassador. And this is the package. So pretty much I paid $9 for a jewelry subscription box, is what it was described as online. This looks like an envelope. Do we see how thin it is? But we're gonna open it. of a scrunchie. It's 10. And this little bag that has jewelry in it. So this actually looks, this is heaven. Open it. Made with love. These two little jewelry packets. This is what? What is fitting in here? No one's wrist. No one's wrist is fitting here. This is a child's bracelet. And then this. Same thing, same jewel on the front or whatever. I feel like I've been got. I've clearly been got. Clearly. Yeah. I will be ending this subscription. Yeah, it's a subscription. Granted, it was only $9, like you signed up to be an ambassador. And it was $9, but bruh, like, are we serious? Like, what is this? Like, what is supposed to fit in there? Your wrist cannot fit in there. Like, a child's wrist can fit in there. Like, what? This just adds to my discouragement, disgruntledness, and anger. It does, in fact. Because, bruh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do the logical thing. I'm not going to do the thing that I want. I'm going to do the logical thing. And, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. It's going to be just fine. It's going to be just fine. We're going to go from there because at this point, it's proven that me doing what I want to do isn't going to get me what's good for me. So, for real. For real. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you're enjoying Vlogtober. Obviously, I'm annoyed. But it is what it is. It's real life. It's what happens when you vlog every day. You get moments like this. I'm going to bed. Good night.